Hey guys, look what I got. I got the Sew Sampler for January. Just came in the mail. I haven't even cut the tape. And let's see. I'll use one of my sewing scissors because I'm too lazy to get up and get another pair of scissors. I know it's a big no-no. Don't use the sewing scissors on your Sew Sampler tape, but I did. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Here we go. Say this 10 times. Sweater weather. Oh boy, sweater weather. There you go. There's a coupon code here for 10% off jelly rolls, including honey buns at the Fat Quarter Shop. So if you get the box, you get the code. Sorry I can't share. This is the contents of the box. I haven't seen any spoilers. I haven't looked. So let's see what's on top. Here is something called cool pins. They are heat resistant pins and they're fine, which I love fine pins. And you can use these suckers up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. So, alrighty now, pins. I mean, I like pins. I'm not very excited about pins. I have a ton, but this is a 50 count and it's a good notion. Let's see how much that baby is worth. It is worth $9.48, so that's great value. Okay, here's something else. This is something I do not have. They're called Sew Tights. It's a 3-pack of magnetic sewing pins. Oh, so these are like magnets that you would use on your fabric when you can't use a pin. Alrighty, don't have that either. So if you don't have that, you have it now if you get the box, and that is worth $11.48. Okay, I have a pink sponge, and this is a cutting mat cleanser cleaner. All right, so to me, this better not be over $2 or $1 because you can get a sponge like this at the Dollar Tree, but let's see how much it is. Yowza, $4.48 for a little sponge. So you just pick up the fabric on your cutting mat and you have a clean mat. All right, all right. I mean, I have to say the notions are really not my jam this month, but this is a thing of fabric now. We all know it's fabric. It is, what do they call this? A jelly roll? A honey bun? Let's see how they listed here. It is a honey bun. Okay, I know a little bit what I'm talking about. This is by Moda. Basic gray for Moda Fabrics. $27.98. Now this is why we get the box, because of the fabric. And it looks to me 1.5 inches wide. And I don't know how many strips are in this. But what I'm gonna do, because I am not gonna open this on camera, is I'm gonna put a little picture right here. This is YouTube magic. And I'm gonna show you all the fabric choices in this honey bun. This is really nice. I'm surprised they don't say the size of it, but I like it, and I like the pattern. Look at that. Ooh, it is a table runner. So you need the honey bun, and you're gonna need 1¼ yards background and 5/8 yards of binding. I actually think I have the fabric in my stash, and you can make this lovely table runner, which is going to be 18.5 by 74.5. Wow, that's long, so you can even shorten it if you wanted to, or you can use this with 1¼ yards background and 5/8 yards binding, and you can make a throw. So I really like the two options. can make a throw or a table runner, and this is really nice. Check that out. So I like the pattern, like it a lot, and that pattern's usually 10 bucks, $9.98. And then the greatest hits pattern is in here. If you do that monthly, that is the pattern. So that is the box. I paid $31 and change for my box. That includes taxes and shipping, and it's a really good value. I love the fabric. I'm not crazy about this because I can get this at the dollar store. This is nice. Pins are nice. Do I really need them? No, but you know, because I have my stuff, but you know, if you're a subscriber, especially a new subscriber to the box and building your stash, these are wonderful items and so worth their value. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up. I would love a like or a comment. My channel is so small, I do reply to every single comment, as long as they're nice. And hey, give me a subscribe. It really helps support my channel and gets it up there in the analytics. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. I do a lot of unboxing videos and crafts and beauty and sewing. So I will see you later, and you all have a great day. Bye.